In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently disable Windows Defender. Before we start, a quick but very important note. Windows Defender, also known as Microsoft Defender, is your built-in antivirus protection in Windows. Disabling it removes an important layer of security, so only do this if you fully understand the risks and you have another trusted security solution in place. This walkthrough is for educational and administrative purposes only. Let's begin on your Windows desktop. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security into the search bar. When you see the Windows Security app appear in the results, click it to open. This is the main dashboard where Windows manages its built-in protection features. Inside Windows Security, look for the section called Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. This page shows your current protection status. Now, under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Here, you'll see several toggles that control real-time protection and related features. Turn off Real-Time Protection. Windows may warn you that your device is vulnerable when this is turned off. Confirm that you want to proceed. You can also turn off options like Cloud-Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission if they are enabled. Keep in mind, though, that simply turning these off is often temporary. Windows can automatically turn them back on after a restart or an update. To make the change more permanent, you'll need to use the local group policy editor, which is available on Windows Pro and some other editions. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type gpedi.msc and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor window. In the left-hand panel, expand Computer Configuration, then expand Administrative Templates, and then expand Windows Components. Scroll down and find Microsoft Defender Antivirus and click on it. On the right side, you'll see a list of policies. Look for the one that says Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus and double-click it. A new window will open with three options: Not Configured, Enabled, and Disabled. Select Enabled. Despite the wording, enabling this policy actually turns Microsoft Defender off. After selecting it, click Apply and then click OK to save your changes. To ensure the policy takes effect, restart your computer. After the restart, go back into Windows Security. You should see that Microsoft Defender is turned off and can't be easily re-enabled through the normal settings. If you ever want to turn Defender back on, just return to the group policy setting. Change it back to Not Configured or Disabled, Apply, and restart your system.